Welcome back to the channel J Car Mania. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated compact SUVs of the future, the 2026 Hyundai Tucson. This next-generation Tucson isn't just another facelift, it's a full evolution of Hyundai's bold design philosophy, advanced technology, and eco-friendly performance. Whether you're a fan of hybrid innovation, cutting-edge interiors, or sleek futuristic design, the 2026 Tucson is here to grab your attention. So buckle up, because this SUV is rewriting what it means to drive in style and intelligence. At first glance, the 2026 Tucson immediately stands out. Hyundai has pushed the boundaries once again, giving the SUV an ultra-modern, angular design that blends aggression with sophistication. The signature parametric grille now integrates even more seamlessly with the hidden LED daytime running lights, creating that signature jewel-like effect Hyundai is known for. The sharper lines, wider stance, and aerodynamic silhouette make it clear that the Tucson isn't just playing it safe, it's setting trends. Move to the side, and you'll notice the sculpted panels, new 19-inch alloy wheels, and a sleek floating roofline that enhances its dynamic personality. The rear is just as impressive with full-width LED taillights connected by a light bar and a cleaner, sportier bumper design. Hyundai has truly given the 2026 Tucson a futuristic look that makes it feel right at home in 2026 and beyond. Now, let's talk about the powertrains. Hyundai is going all in on electrification. The 2026 Tucson comes in three major options: gasoline, hybrid, and plug-in hybrid. The base version features a refined 2.5-liter SmartStream engine with around 190 horsepower, offering smooth and efficient daily driving. For those who crave performance and eco-friendliness, the hybrid variant combines a 1.6-liter turbo engine with an electric motor to deliver nearly 230 horsepower. And for maximum efficiency, the plug-in hybrid version pushes over 260 horsepower with an impressive electric-only range that can easily handle most city commutes. Hyundai has also made serious upgrades to driving dynamics. The new Tucson rides on an improved platform with better rigidity, enhanced suspension tuning, and updated steering precision. The result: a more confident, planted drive with reduced noise and vibration. You can feel the refinement whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling sharp corners. Step inside, and you'll instantly see how far Hyundai has come in redefining luxury in the compact SUV class. The 2026 Tucson's cabin feels like a tech-savvy lounge. The minimalist dashboard flows seamlessly with ambient LED lighting, while the dual 12.3-inch digital displays, one for the instrument cluster and one for the infotainment, provide a futuristic cockpit experience. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, and over-the-air software updates come standard. Hyundai's designers also focused heavily on comfort and space. The rear seats recline, legroom is generous, and the panoramic sunroof makes the cabin feel airy and open. Premium materials like soft-touch leather, recycled fabrics, and aluminum accents remind you that sustainability doesn't mean sacrificing luxury. And yes, Hyundai's SmartSense safety suite comes standard, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, and even a new AI-based driver attention monitor. One of the standout features of the 2026 Tucson is its advanced infotainment and connectivity. The center touchscreen integrates with Hyundai's latest AI assistant, which can understand natural voice commands for navigation, temperature, and entertainment. Imagine saying, "I'm cold," and the Tucson automatically adjusts the climate for you. That's how smart this SUV has become. Another huge addition is the remote parking system, which allows you to move the car forward or backward using just your key fob, perfect for tight parking spaces. Plus, the 360-degree camera and augmented reality navigation display make city driving a breeze. Hyundai hasn't forgotten about off-road enthusiasts either. The new Tucson features drive modes like Eco, Comfort, Sport, and Smart, along with a terrain mode for snow, mud, and sand. The all-wheel drive system adapts to your driving conditions, giving you confidence no matter where you go. When it comes to efficiency, Hyundai is leading the pack. The hybrid models offer over 40 miles per gallon, while the plug-in hybrid can cover up to 35 miles purely on electric power. That means fewer gas station visits and a cleaner carbon footprint. Hyundai's commitment to sustainability extends beyond the drivetrain. They've used eco-friendly paints, recycled plastics, and plant-based materials throughout the cabin. Now, let's talk about pricing. While official numbers are still under wraps, experts expect the 2026 Hyundai Tucson to start around $29,000 for the base model and go up to about $42,000 for the top-tier plug-in hybrid version. Considering the level of tech, design, and performance, that's incredible value for money. In the crowded compact SUV segment, the Tucson faces tough competition from the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, and Mazda CX-5. But Hyundai's formula of futuristic design, hybrid efficiency, and high-end tech gives it a clear edge. The 2026 model feels more premium, more intelligent, and more connected than ever before. So, is the 2026 Hyundai Tucson worth the hype? Absolutely. It's not just a car. It's a statement that future-ready SUVs don't have to cost a fortune. It's stylish, smart, sustainable, and surprisingly fun to drive. Whether you're a city commuter or a weekend explorer, the Tucson is built to make every journey memorable. And that wraps up today's deep dive into the all-new 2026 Hyundai Tucson. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to J Car Mania, and ring the bell icon so you never miss our latest car reviews and updates. Tell us in the comments, would you pick the hybrid or the plug-in version? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, stay safe, drive smart, and I'll catch you in the next one, only here on J Car Mania.